AWD and grey. Don't bother looking at any other SUV. Get hooked on Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett. Want to save some money? Get the new look for the used price on this one-owner vehicle. Previous owner purchased it brand new. When you say quality, Lexus comes immediately to mind, and this Lexus RX is no exception.